Hey, what's up guys, this is IQ from IMK Technical Hub, and today in this video we will be doing the unboxing of JBL C50 earphone. This JBL C50 earphone I have purchased from jbl.com, and I have got this JBL C50 at a price of 449 rupees. You can also purchase it via Flipkart, Amazon or other website, but I have purchased this JBL C50 HI from jbl.com. So let's open and see how this JBL C50 HI earphone. So you can see this is a packaging that has been provided by the jbl.com, and it has been come via RPTech. This is one of the topmost distributor in all over the country, and you can see this is a RPTech, Rashi Peripheral Private Limited, and they handle the delivery of various brands. JBL is also one of them. So let's cut out and see the JBL C50 HI earphone. So I am cutting from this side. So also one thing I want to clear you that if you purchase from direct by JBL, so always you will get a original product and there is no warranty issue as well. These earphones are also in blue color. So this is the invoice. We'll show you the invoice. You can see the pricing. The price is 449 rupees, and you can see it is Rashi Peripheral Private Limited, and this is one of the distributor that all manage the sales of jbl.com. And one thing also I want to say you that as I have purchased it from jbl.com website, I have got also additional 6-month warranty. You can see the stamp here. As you can see, additional 6-month warranty, as this product has 1-year warranty, but I have got extra 6-month warranty due to the independent sale that is going on the jbl.com website. So you can see I have also got additional 6 months warranty. So you can see this is a JBL earphone, and let's open this plastic and I will show you some of the details of this JBL C50 HI earphone. So also these are in blue color. So cut this and so keep this aside. So you can see this JBL earphone, JBL C50 HI, and you can see some of the information. Also, you by seeing this, you can also check the fake and the original product, as this is 100% original that as I have purchased from jbl.com. And you can see here are some of the details. Model number JBL C50 HI, and the pricing quoted here is 999 rupees. And also you can see the month and year of import is July 2019, and also you can check some of the details here. And also there is barcode. You can also scan it and you can see some of the details here. There are some barcodes here, and also there is serial number, some details here you can see. So let's cut out and see how these earphones. So I'm opening from here. So you can see there is one tape here. Cut out this, and also one is there. So I have cut out this. So let's open and see. So nothing inside, and you can see some of the documentation work. JBL Harman, and some safety informations here in different languages. You can see this is a whole documentation. Keep this aside, and also some more. You can see this is a warranty guide and some other informations here. Keep it also aside, and let's come to our earphone. So you can see friend, this is the earphone, and also you can see some earbuds that has been provided, small, medium, large size, and I think you can see in different sizes. And two more, over total 4, 2 pairs, and one is already there. So friends, you can see this is a earphone, and you can see the shape. This is bent from here so that you can easily put into your ears, so that you have no problem at all. And also you can see there is mic, and also you can see this is a button as well. You can see there is a mic and this is a button as well. So friends, overall the quality is good, and I will not say very premium. It just look, but it is very soft and very high quality material. And also in 449 rupees you can't expect too much. And you can see, and also the length I think is good, is more than 1 meter. And you can see JBL wired headset made in China by Harman. Also friend, you can see the 3.5mm jack, headphone jack, and this is also bent a little bit, and that is very good. So also you can see you can easily insert into your 3.5mm headphone jack. You can see here is a 3.5mm headphone jack, and you can easily install like this. You can see. So friends, I will check this out, and after checking I will come back. So friends, I have tested this earphone, and I will give you my overview about this earphone. Friends, I have also purchased the T110 and T160, and overall I have seen that sound quality and the bass is better in this JBL C50 Hi as compared to the other JBL T160 and T110 earphone. And also one thing I noticed, that maybe I have purchased it from jbl.com, that's why I have got a very good product. And overall the quality is decent, but the volume and the voice is very good. I have no issues at all, and it is very loud as well. I have also checked the review in Amazon website and Flipkart, and where I have seen that the bass is not good, but I have tested it and the bass is very good. Maybe they are selling the old products or old stuff, that's why there is some problem. But overall I have checked this product, and these are very good earphone, and I can recommend to you. You can also purchase this via jbl.com. I will also give you link in description so that you can buy. And overall it's a very nice and decent earphone, and if you want to purchase a budgeted earphone, then you can also try this, because it's very good earphone, as I have also checked it. So friend, this is the unboxing and my overview of JBL C50 Hi earphone, and I hope this video is useful. And if you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe IMK Technical Hub channel, so that we can give you these kind of videos. So thanks for watching. Jai Hind.